LF is professional in steel structure and space frame design, manufacturing, consulting, and technical service. Products mainly used in high security civil buildings such as stadiums, large span warehouses, and workshops, characterized by wind resistance and earthquake resistance. And the structural stress is repeatedly statically determined. Shuzhou LF specializes in serving overseas markets. The customers served are distributed in the Americas, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Europe. Overseas customers and projects include ThyssenKrupp, the Presidential Office of African Countries, and the world's largest churches in Nigeria, Philippines SM, Shell Petroleum, Japan Mitsubishi, BASF. Many large span coal sheds constructed by LF had passed the safety test of Typhoon Haiyan in the Philippines in 2013. LF has been carrying out technological development and R&D of steel structures and space frame with many patents, also been approved by some institutions like BV, SGS, AWS Manufacturing Welding, Technical Assessment, International Experience, Factory Assessment, and Installation Ability, recognized by Alibaba as Strategic Cooperative Enterprise and Gold Seller for Overseas Market. LF also serves as board member of the China Steel Structure Association, vice chairman of Shuzhou Cross-Border Chamber of Commerce, vice chairman of Shenzhen Chamber of Commerce, and other social positions, leading Chinese companies to overseas. The mission of LF is to make itself a respected leader in the steel structure industry. Let the customer choose LF without regret.
Let's watch some analog videos. The first thing I show you is the bulb bowl node. This is the support system. Now let's see how the dome bunker space frame is installed. The dome space frame structure bunker has many advantages, such as strong structural stability, large coverage span, beautiful and unique shape, construction efficiency, environmental protection, economy and applicability, etc. These advantages make the cylinder shell structure have a wide application prospect and development potential in the field of dome space architecture. A barrel shell is a shell with a barrel-shaped appearance or barrel-shaped structure. Shell is a kind of structural with curved shape and thickness much smaller than other dimensions, which can bear large loads and has good stability. This is aerial installation of the grid. The main structure of the space frame structure workshop is mainly composed of columns and beams connected through nodes to form a stable load-bearing system. This structural system can withstand vertical and horizontal loads, and the wall is not load-bearing, mainly plays the role of enclosure and separation. The construction of the swimming pool is also simple. This is slippage scaffolding installation. This is the Nigerian cathedral space frame and roof installation. Now let's take a stroll through the space framework of the Nigerian cathedral. This is an animation of the glass facade of a church in Botswana. The first thing you see is a spectacular panorama of an international airport in Yangon province. The design of the terminal combines modern and traditional elements and stands in a streamlined position under the blue sky, like a phoenix with wings ready to fly, symbolizing the hospitality of the people of Yangon and the infinite hope for the future. Entering the interior of the terminal, a spacious and bright hall with a reasonable layout is displayed in front of you. In the video, the interior decoration of the terminal is cleverly integrated into the ethnic customs of Yangon. From murals to sculptures, every detail tells the story of the land. Yangon Airport Terminal design pays special attention to green environmental protection. The video shows the terminal roof greening, rainwater recycling system, and energy-saving lighting measures, which not only beautify the environment but also effectively reduce energy consumption. Through the huge floor-to-ceiling windows, passengers can also enjoy the natural scenery around the airport, as if they are in a moving landscape painting. The lower structure of the terminal adopts reinforced concrete frame structure. The roof and supporting roof structure are hyperboloid shape, and the quadrangle pyramidal space frame structure is adopted. The supporting structure of the roof is steel ribbon, conical steel pipe column, and variable section box swing column. The main structure of TR terminal adopts space frame structure, and the space curved network supported by concrete filled steel tube tree is used in the main building area, which not only enhances the stability of the building but also gives the building a modern aesthetic sense and a sense of space. Every departure is a new exploration, and every arrival is a yearning for a better life. Now take a tour of Reunion's revolving restaurant with the camera. And then let's see the 135th the China Import and Export Fair video. Let's take a look at the actual construction. This is the roof pressing. Then look at the arch bunker space frame construction. The design of the arch bunker enables it to withstand the pressure well, especially when it is used for the inclined bunker. Its mechanical performance is superior. The construction process is relatively simple and can be completed quickly, saving time and cost. The structural design of the arch core bunker makes it have good stability and can maintain the integrity and safety of the structure in extreme weather conditions. Dome coal bunker and arch coal bunker have their own advantages in stress, construction convenience, and space utilization. Which bunker type is chosen depends on the specific engineering requirements and site conditions. In practical application, it should be considered comprehensively according to the actual situation to select the most suitable type of coal bunker. airport adopts a centralized radial layout, which is composed of the central main building and 5 radial finger corridors with 60-degree angles to each other, forming a configuration similar to the phoenix spreading its wings, implying good luck and harmony. This layout not only increases the number of parking slots, but also optimizes the efficiency of aircraft operation. The architectural structure of Daxing Airport shows uniqueness and innovation in the overall layout, support structure, construction technology and innovation, as well as internal space and functional design, which not only improves the travel experience of passengers, but also reflects the concept of energy conservation, environmental protection, and intelligence. Harbin Grand Theater, a steel structure as the pen, art as the ink, writing in the ice city on the land of the magnificent poem. It is not only the temple of performance, but also the habitat of the soul, inviting everyone who loves art and pursues dreams to witness every bloom of inspiration and feel every touch of the soul. As we draw to a close, let's take a look at the Nigerian Hand of God Cathedral. That's all for today. If you have a similar project, you can contact us at any time.